What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Taste the Blessings. I'm your man, Eat Money, and I'm back in the lab, ready to cook up another creation for you guys. And it's that time of the year again. Vision of Ryan and Taste the Blessings. Collab. Time for that hashtag GTTS, Garden to Table series. And first up on episode 1, swisschard. Yes. Fresh from the garden. And you know I love these series, guys. I get inspired. It also makes me create something different. So first up is swisschard, and we're gonna do some soup. So check out how I put this together. I hope I like it, because this is the first time I'm doing it. But hey, it's all about having fun, freestyling, creating. Enough talking, let's get into it. Yeah, it's that time, y'all. This came out perfect, if I do say so myself. This is my swisschard soup. Got the potatoes in here, got a smoked sausage. Man, enough talking. Let's get into it. Look at this, y'all. Woo. Oh, I gotta do this one again, y'all. Damn. Look at that, y'all. Come on, man. Y'all gotta try this one. I'm telling y'all. Y'all have got to try this one. Make sure y'all follow the recipe. Tag me in your videos. I hope you like it. I know you'll like it. Like I always say, if you make one step, God makes two. And just like that, your blessings will come to you. And we out.